Hey guys, it's Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Today is the last of 2 days, 2 more days to sign up for the Kitchen Table Stamper August through December mini catalog product sampler, aka 2021 holiday catalog product sampler. I have got a really fun way for you to get a little bit of everything from the holiday catalog and a great card class to help you get started with it. All right, are you ready for this? The August through December mini catalog. It's really July, December mini catalog, and it's the holiday catalog. Anyways, Stampin' Up! Has a brand new catalog tomorrow, and we are doing a product sampler celebration. What does it include? Quarter of a package of each of the designer series papers, the new ones. So it'll look something like this. Get 6x6 pages of all the new paper. Look at that brick of paper. And then there's a couple of other options, other levels that you can participate at. So we have the first level, just the paper. You'll get this awesome brick of paper. It'll be delivered to you USPS priority mail included in the $50 price. And that is it, just the paper. It's a great way to get a little bit of all the papers to play with, to see them in real life before you commit to a full package. Although you're going to want a full package of this one, and you're going to want a full package of this one, and maybe even a full package of this one. But it's always nice to see them first. And that's just the paper. It includes $50 of insurance and USPS priority shipping. Now we have two more options, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 and level 2 both include this awesome card class to get you started using these papers. All right. So at level 1, you get just the paper. No, not just the paper, but you get the paper and a full spool of the new white glitter ribbon. Do you see? I see the camera picking up that glitter. So you get a full spool of the ribbon and then a full package of the matte decorative dots. You get a whole rainbow of these matte embellishments included. You'll also get the card class kits for each of the cards times 2 copies. So 8 cards. The die cutting and punching for your layers will be done. You do your stamping and embossing, and then use your materials from the paper sampler. So the paper, the embellishments, the ribbon, the card kits. We're going to have a Zoom social event on August 31st at 6 p.m. Central Time. And it's included, and so is our private Facebook group at level 1. Level 1 is $66, and that also includes $50 of insurance with your USPS priority shipping. All right, now level 2 is where things get really good, because at level 2, you get the products, the paper, the dots, the ribbon. You get the card kits, 2 each of 4 designs. You get the Zoom, the Facebook group. Online classroom is included at level 1 and level 2. But you also will receive the Sweet Treat stamp set, brand new from the holiday catalog, and the new timber embossing, 3D embossing folder. So level 2 with everything in level 1, plus the stamp set and the embossing folder. Card kits included. I'll show you those cards in just a minute. I know you're waiting for a sneak peek. Is $111. That also includes USPS priority shipping and $50 of insurance. All right, so are you ready to see a sneak peek at the card class? I know you are. Here is a sneak peek at the card class to get you started. If you've got any questions about the product sampler in the class, you can email Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Please reach out to my email for links to register. Registration closes for our sampler celebration tomorrow. That's August 3rd at 3 p.m. So reach out and register before then. Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. And to shop Stampin' Up 24/7, you can always buzz over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the sampler celebration.